till the time you come out from your college and step into that job market will be ready to. 2025 is getting crazy and competitive nowadays. We are already in the third month of 2025, and like it is no more that golden old days where we get easy jobs, we get jobs without basic knowledge. So just having a BTech degree or a BA degree is not enough anymore. You have to have skills to get into companies. Just being a hard working employee is not enough. You have to be a skilled and a smart employee to stay in your jobs, to hold your position. Nowadays, 80% of the IITians are being unemployed. Big companies, product-based companies like Google's, Facebook are terminating their employees. I don't want to even talk about MNCs. This video, scare you people in this video. So I just want to convey to my brothers and sisters who are in class 12 or in colleges and are really looking forward to step into the job market. I just want to tell you that this book's knowledge and giving semesters and exam is no enough to get into the job market, because it is getting harder day by day. And until the time you come out from your college and step into that job market will be ready to thresh you out. Okay, so you need more skills, you need basic skills which you should start learning from now only, which can help you in future, which will be a support when you will be in the job market, when you will be trying to do your own business or whatever in future, whatever you are trying to do. These skills will be always useful. Okay, waste our time anymore and start the video. Skill we will talk about is the communication skill, and under communication skill we have public speaking and presentation skill. Public speaking is one of the most important skill you should have. So it will just help you throughout your career. Like whatever point you go, you have to speak with people, you have to give presentation. Okay, so me being an introvert in college is to sit in one corner and read books, which is very wrong. We should not be so introvert that we forget to speak. So I understood it later in my second and third sem, and I really joined many cultural group. I organized fest, I organized blood donation camps, which really helped me to speak out. And one more thing, speak in those language which you are not comfortable. English being the new coding language, you have to have a fluency in English anywhere you go. You do your business, you give a pitch to your client, you have to have that fluency in English. You go to job, English is must. So yeah, if you have a problem speaking in English, speak in English. Speak in broken English. I can talk English, walk English. Yeah, speak like this, but speak in English. Okay, and presentation skill, yeah, it is necessary everywhere, even in your business. If you're giving a pitch to your client, you need to present your product, or if you're in job, you have to give daily presentation about projects and everything. So it is as important as public speaking. Second is money management and financial management. So in our college life, we will be dancing and internships and part-time jobs. So we should know how to manage those money. We should have a basic understanding of apps like Mint, Excel to do our personal finance. We should have understanding of mutual funds, stock and cryptocurrency, which is really trending nowadays. Then how the taxation will be, how much money will be deducted, and how we can get returns. We should have that understanding. Then we should have basic knowledge of credit scores and loan management. Lastly, we should have understanding of health insurance, life insurance, term life insurance, which is a very important thing nowadays. Even government jobs don't provide us any health insurance. Live about private jobs. So yes, this is one of the basic thing we should have knowledge before we step into the outside world. So third is coding and technological skill. If you are from a technological background or a BTech, MTech background, so you will have a very deep understanding about coding, technological skill. But if you are from a non-coding background, for example biology, or you are a doctor, you should have a basic understanding of how technology is being used in your area. Okay. Then PowerPoint and presentation skill, I have already spoken about this in communication skill. And nowadays PowerPoint presentation is not like olden days, like you keep a pictures, just text, few graphs. No, there is more upgradation in PowerPoint presentation. There are more designs, there are more, you can even include AI in your PowerPoint presentations. So there are many things going on. Just having basic PowerPoint skill is not enough. Third is AI and automation tools. So this tools will make your life easy. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, Grammarly will help you in study as well as make your student life more easy. And lastly, we have a skill of prompt engineering. Even if you don't have a technological or tech background, you're from a BA or any other commerce background or whatever, if you have a prompt engineering skill, you can easily get a medium to high paying jobs. Prompt engineering is basically how you command your AI to answer you. Fourth point is networking and personal brand building. So under which we have our LinkedIn profile building. So you should build a strong LinkedIn profile which will showcase your skills and your work experience in a well mannered way to the HRs. And second is answering the very important question in your interview, that is, tell me about yourself. Yeah, self introduction. You should be ready with this question every time. And third point is network between colleagues and other employees in your area or in your field, so that it will increase your knowledge, it will help you to find new jobs. In this video I have talked about 4 main important skills you should gain during your college life, so that when you step into your career it will be helpful for you. So I hope you have liked this video, and thank you for watching this video till the end. Meet you in next video. Bye bye.